The funny thing is I was almost giving up on balancing this motor yesterday. And then I eventually got it.
Yeah, and that's
We're
the...
going to be leaving here when it's like fucking dark.
I don't care.
And I got it to work yesterday. And I was still not sure because when I put it in, I was like, it's a little bit buzzy. I was like,
Sometimes it's best to just leave it.
Kinda clear. Like,
Ooh. Yeah, and that's the thing. You got to have the plane nearby.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go. I'll make this a quick flight. I'm gonna land right at. I'll land right at 3 minutes. See how it likes this battery? Normally wouldn't do that.
Which battery? Oh, the
6200, yeah.
You can actually fly this thing just with the lights.
Yeah, that's it.
Because right now all I see is green and red, and I know exactly what it's doing.
Yep.
And that's all I need to know. Holy moly.
You can't see anything.
No.
Just the lights.
Just the lights. Especially those two strobes.
Right.
Jesus Christ, you're flying this like a madman.
Yes, I can today. I mean, this pack, it loves these packs.
You should try the KC R-Tech. You think these are good?
Oh, I know they are, but I'm just going off of what I got. I normally use these for the F-16, but
F-16.
the F-16 flies great with them, but this really goes crazy with them. Because it's a lot lighter, probably 100 grams lighter.
Holy schmokoly!
Look at that. And I still had momentum. It wasn't dead yet. Hey, I got to.
This is how madmen fly.
The video is going to be all pixelated because it's so dark. All I'm looking at is lights. I cannot see the plane.
Yep, I can't see it either. I see green and red and strobing red.
And afterburner.
And afterburner. And I'm like, okay, I guess I know how the plane's facing right now.
Time remaining 1 minute 9.
And I still got over a minute left to go.
You've been flying hard though.
Let me cruise a little bit.
You've been flying hard.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm going to cruise a little bit. I'll land right at 3 minutes. But I'm going to cruise a little bit to give that battery a break. It's good though. And that fan is out of balance now. Well, I've been flying it for a year.
Nice.
30 seconds.
I mean, it's a little bit out of balance.
Just barely.
Not that much.
No, it's just barely. I'm just being picky.
Burning Man's tiny F-15.
Oh, I'm just being picky because
I wanted to put my teeth.
it's all wow. All right, so.
Time remaining 14 seconds.
Yeah, I gotta
gear down.
Gear down.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Landing flaps 1. Time expired.
If it wasn't for the lights, I couldn't see.
Oh, that is a picture right there.
Good way to end the day. I don't say it until the plane's down.
Flaps up.
But that is the last flight of the day. I don't say it until the plane's down. I'm going to leave the burners on. I like that. Wow, I smell humidity. Right, just relax. Normally I'd bump it and let them turn off, but I'm gonna leave it on. I gotta paint that interior because look at that, it's showing through.
I kind of like that. I don't know what to put. I kind of like that.
There you go, cool. Nice. Ah, good way to end the day. Now I gotta struggle in the dark, but oh well.
Both gotta do it.
Oh well. Worth it.
It was
Not
totally
cold.
worth it. Dude, yeah,
Oh.
last week it was.
Ooh, yeah, that was too much.